All right, another quick update on ProcessKit and how it's coming along. I've been working on the projects view. So previously you saw the single project view, which I showed in the last few videos, which looks like this. This is, for example, an onboarding project. We're onboarding a new client named Apple, and we put some notes. We've got our processes attached to it. We can copy processes from templates. We can create special ones, leave comments, all that fun stuff. I showed all that in a previous video, but now we're going to go, back a step and look at our overview of all our different projects that are going on. Again, these are like repeating projects, if you will. And so you can have multiple project types, and these are custom. You can call them whatever you want. And I built out this filtering component. So when you're looking at your list, you can filter by, each type. You can filter by multiple types. You can take those filters off. You can reset them. For example, if you just want to see your monthly report projects, you can click that and have that shown like that. The cool thing is that when you update these filters, it also updates the URL. So you can easily bookmark that. You can send a link. For example, if you want to just have a quick bookmark saved pointing to your reports, that's right there. So that is your projects view, and of course, just like everything else, it is mobile responsive. Let's take a look at that. So you can collapse it down and still access all this stuff. You can still filter and all that. You can even delete projects from here. We're not going to do that. Let's get out of that. Oh, and one more thing. I did add a new way to add new projects. So no matter where you are in the app, you can use this button up top, which defaults to your default project type. But if you want to change that, you can create a new project using any of your types. So for example, let's create a new one using monthly report. That's automatically selected. And let's call it like June marketing report. We'll create that project, and now we're in this project where we can start adding notes. We can start adding comments, add a process or two. Later on, like this will be automated so that every time you create a project of a certain type, it can automatically apply the processes of that type. Anyway, we're getting a little ahead of ourselves, but we can go back to the projects view, and that's added there. And again, we can filter that. Spent a lot of time on setting that piece up, but I'm pretty happy with how it's working. So any feedback, questions, as always, hit me up, let me know. And I am pushing on, trying to get this thing out to users pretty soon. Thanks.